Welcome in to another woolly review, and it's woolly. It's actual wool, like woolly wool. Like really. We are looking at Knitcraft by Hobbycraft, which is the UK's version of Hobby Lobby, I think. I'm guessing. I hope. Leader of the pack, 100 grams, Aran. 90% acrylic, 10% alpaca. This is the colour mustard. It's definitely far more mustard in reality than on the screen, and it is so nice and soft. I do kind of feel that it would be a little bit itchy. It's not scratchy. Let me clarify that. It is not scratchy, but it almost feels like it might give you the itches a little bit. But I'm good with wool, so let's carry on. Yarn length 170 meters, and this is going into the Hobbycraft Woolly Wednesday giveaway, and that isn't mine. I mean, there's definitely a lot of fuzz on there, and I'm very much dreading doing the frog. No, that's not a dance move. Now, because it is a giveaway prize, I can't do a full swatch. But we'll get to that momentarily. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and I'm going to do a line of single crochet. Now, I have been asked a couple of times, and after the most recent one, I thought, you know what, I'm just going to let you guys know, because I know I'm still going to get asked the question, but hey ho. I've been asked, one, why I don't do a full swatch. Because I'm a slow crocheter, a full, really nice sized swatch would take absolutely ages. Now, with that, I'm sure some of you are saying, then you make the swatch off camera. Well, this goes with another question that has been asked quite a few times actually. And that is with regard to if I did a full swatch on camera, it would take absolutely ages. And as it stands, these woolly reviews are usually over 10 minutes as is. And 98% of you guys can't hold the concentration for longer than 2 minutes with a lot of videos. And so, you know, it's not a thing. But when I show you me working up the swatches, you can see when it's snagging. You can see when it's splitting. You can see if it's gliding on the hook. You can hear if it's squeaking. You get the look of it. It's been made up like this and there's been no cheating involved, etc. Unfortunately, when it comes to the giveaway prizes like this one, I don't want to use more than really necessary, because I don't want to ruin the wool for somebody else. Because as soon as you make up a little bit and then frog it, it actually damages the fabric. And I don't want to do that for a giveaway prize. So there's my reasons. And that's what I'm sticking with. So we're at the end now. So we'll just do that last. Come on in. Come on in. Come on in. There you go. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. 1, 2. I'm going to do one more row, which will be double crochet. And then we'll do the dreaded frog, which I'm scared of. So the only place really... There are a couple of places you can buy this, but really the only place that sell it is Hobbycraft, because it's their own brand. Yes, I'm sure you could be able to get it on Etsy or eBay or you know, various little sites. But cheapest that I have found is Hobbycraft, and £2 per ball of 100 grams. 8 colours in total, and I am getting cramp. Ow! Ooh. So not a great deal of colours really. I mean, it's kind of akin to baby yarn, or the majority of baby yarn when it comes to the amount of colours. Very, very high acrylic content. Low alpaca content, but it is there. It's most definitely there. Okay. So, stitch definition, even with the fuzz, it's not too bad. What I'm guessing is the more you work with it, obviously the more fuzzy is going to come up, and it will hide the stitches a little bit more, and it will look a little bit more felted. But overall, it's not bad for stitch definition. Not bad. So let's do the bit that I'm dreading. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say, they do recommend a hook size of 5mm, which, there you go, and that's exactly what I use. I always use the hook that is recommended by the wool. It doesn't mean that's the hook that I would use if making something up. I'm going by the recommendation on the ball band to do the review with. Okay. And as it happened, it worked okay. There was one point where I was like, I thought I might have split it. I didn't. It was just one little hair that was caught on it. But it worked up okay. So, frog taking a stroll. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. Oh. She spoke too soon, apparently. There's no stretch there. Let's get scary. Let's put a frog on a moped. We stopped. No, we stopped again. I mean, it is inevitable because we're full of hair over here. Alpaca hair. Come on. Please. Please be nice, because you've got to go to the prize winner. I mean, it's not too bad to unravel it, although I have left a knot in it, which unfortunately I can't get out. But feels very, very nice. And what I didn't do when it was worked up was go, It feels nice. Like I said, I think if you do have an issue or two, then I think you're going to be itching with it. But it is very, very soft. I'm not saying soft like polyester yarn would be, because that's exceptionally soft. But not bad. So, leader of the pack, Aran, £2 per ball. It's got a little bit of alpaca in it, which is a little bit of luxury for £2 a skein. 170, is it 79 or 76? 170 meters. I don't think that's too bad. It's a shame there's not more colours, of course. I mean, 8 doesn't give you much choice, does it? So let's have an oozy. Would I turn it down outright? No. Would I be extremely annoyed if that was the only thing in the shop and I needed something alpaca? No. Would I be, well, it's in my top 10 list, but are you sure you haven't got what I need? No. I'm still debating. Would I say it was in my top 3? I need something with a little bit of alpaca for the price. If I can get the colour I need, will it work wonders? I'm going to leave it at that. I think £2 for 170 metres of Aran alpaca acrylic mix, I think that's a pretty good deal. It's just a shame about the amount of colours. But heck, this is my thoughts. You probably have your own. Heck, I hope you do. Let me know down below. And while you're down there, do the free thing. Subscribe for more woolly reviews, which come every single Thursday. And maybe turn on your notification bell so you remember, because you know we all smother our subscriptions into our subscription page and we never know who we're looking at. You know, it happens. But anywho, this is my review for Leader of the Pack. Have a good one. Take care. Bye-bye.